Hey guys, my name is Utsav and I'd like to welcome you all again to this third video for Adobe InDesign. So in the last video we went through the basic shapes and sizes and the basic colors, and at the end we also inserted a new photo inside the frame in the document. But in this one, as we can see that the image is of a larger resolution, that it kind of fits inside the frame. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to make sure that the image fits inside. Okay, so now we can see that the image is of a larger resolution than the frame that we made it for. So what we can do to fix this is, first of all, if you guys are on touchpad, that's pretty easy. You can just select V on your keyboard, drag it to the center of the screen, double click on the photo, and you see the cursor changes to this little drag button, a hand side. You can just swipe 2 fingers up and down like that, and you can just fix the photo, right? But if you're in a mouse, let's go back, let's select V, select outside, and you can just press Option on your keyboard and use the mouse scroll up and down for Mac. And if you guys are on PC, you can just press Alt and press it up and down like that. So once you're fully zoomed out, what you can do is you can press V again, select that photo, and you can see this is a real photo. Alright, so you can just drag this in and bring this inside the shape. Just move this a little bit up and bring this into frame for the document. Here we go, perfect. And press V outside, just zoom in. Okay, looks good. I'll rotate the image. There are 2 things that you have to be considerate of. So this image is inside a frame. What you can try doing is you can just move the frame a little bit, but the picture will remain intact as it is. But if you just want to see a rotated image, you just gotta rotate the image. It's like cropping out an image. So for that, you just press V on the keyboard, select this right there, take it to a corner, and you see this sign, bending arrows. You hold the mouse and drag it up and down. So this way you can rotate the image. But if you just want to rotate the image but not the frame, you just double click on it and you see the outer lines. That's of the image, right? That we just dragged across the screen to make it fit. You just click on the edge right there too, and as you can see, we only rotated the image. Let's go back to the frame and keep the frame straight. Perfect. And so now we have successfully rotated the image. Alright, so images are pretty easy to because we only adding a graphical image is pretty easy in InDesign, because we don't do a lot of editing with images. We edit the pages, as long as you know this much, it's just the basic and you're pretty good to go for now. So now we're gonna go and add a little text to our file. Alright, so for that, let's go to the text tool there and drive across to make a little frame for the text. So we gotta type in what we want. So I don't know, this image of Naruto, I don't know if you guys seen that. So let's just type in Naruto for now. Okay, so the text size is pretty small. So to improve that, we're just gonna select the whole text, drag the mouse, go to the text source right there on the right, and it's 12 right now. We increase it. This is kind of your text toolbar. You select the text, but you select the text tool here, but this is the text toolbar. Alright, so for that, let's put it to a different font. You change the font right there, and if you want to change the color, you just go to fill. We've done this before, so select the blue one, and it's done. Okay, now let me show you guys something different real quick. Alright, so we just changed the color and the text, right? But the text is inside a frame, and if you want to change the color of the frame, what you gotta do is just kind of take this tool, select V on the keyboard, select the frame of the text, and you go to fill again, and in frame, and inside fill you see this button, apply to. There's gonna be a text and frame for this. So what you can do is you can just select text, it changes the text. But if you want to select the frame, and that changes the color background for the frame too. Alright, okay, perfect. Alright, and so now moving on. Okay, now that we know how to import the image into the document, we're gonna do a little bit of something called text wrapping. So now for that, we're gonna bring in a new image into the document, but before that we gotta create a frame for it, right? Let's just delete this for now, and let's create a new frame for the image. Okay, so it's gonna go straight that way. Perfect. And let's go to file and bring this new image right there. Okay, perfect. Press V, select the image, let's move it a little bit up. Alright, looks good. And now let's put in some new text. So I'm gonna press T. Let's go to normal view for now, to our workspace view. Press T and create a new text box somewhere around here. Let's make it a little bit bigger, and let's just put in random text. Just copy it, just paste. Control A, copy all of them, copy, paste. Okay, now let's go select two and bring this in here. Okay, looks good. Okay, now so for the text wrap, we're gonna need a text wrap window just around here. So in the top you're gonna see an option called window or something. You just click on window, go down, bring out text wrap like that. Okay, so now you press V again, select the image, and you select this option right there. Now you see that the text has disappeared for a while. You just and this text wrap is for the picture option. You go to counter options right there, type, same as clipping, you select object, and due to the AI it's gonna automatically select the apple in the middle. And as you can see, the text has all gone around the apple, right? So if you want some more distance between the apple and the text, all you gotta do is you gotta see this right there and increase the point, and you can make the text distance a little bit larger, a little bit lower. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. We can look more into the text wrap in our upcoming one and try to design a new page from scratch and make it a little more professional. Alright. Okay, thank you and have a good day.